Okay, we will answer this one. Give the product in simplest form. X over xy times x squared plus 4x plus 3 over x squared minus 1. Okay, so i-multiply natin yung first term or first expression na x over xy kay x squared plus 4x plus 3. But we need to factor this one using general quadratic trinomial when a is equal to 1. Okay, so kunin natin yung value ng a. So that is 1. Yung b, that is equal to 4. Okay, tapos yung c ay equal sa 3. Okay, ngayon, kunin natin yung AC. 1 yung A, tapos C is 3. So, 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, ngayon, hanap tayo ng factors of, hanap tayo ng factor na yung kanilang product ay 3 at saka yung sum nila ay dapat 4. Okay, so ang factor natin ay try natin tong 1 times 3. So, this is equal to 3. Yan ang product. Tapos, yung sum naman dapat 4. So, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So, therefore, itong 1 or positive 1 and positive 3, so ito na yung factors na ating gagamitin dito. So, first factor natin, since x squared yan, ay x dito sa first factor and x dito sa second factor. Okay? Then, positive 1, so therefore, this is positive 1. Then, another one is positive 3, so this is positive 3. Okay? So, over. So, i-factor naman natin yung x squared minus 1. So, this is sum and difference of 2 squares. So, therefore, okay, hanap tayo ng dalawang factor dyan. So, x squared yan. Ibig sabihin, x dito sa first factor, x din dyan sa second factor. Sum and difference, meaning this is plus and minus. Then, factor ng 1 ay 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Okay, ngayon, i-cancel natin itong yung mga the same na expression. So, si x plus 1, cancel natin yan. Si x plus 1, cancel din natin yan. At saka itong x, cancel natin yan. At saka yan. So, naiwan dito sa numerator, ito na lang. Kaya pa. So, naiwan dito sa numerator ay x plus 3, okay, over, dito sa denominator, mayroong 1 dito, okay, y times, ito, x minus 1. So, this is your final answer.